So we're in Clovis, California. We're just getting ready to install some new wax rings on this toilet here. This is existing. It's a Kohler toilet, which is nice. On the floor, we've got a flange that you can see is extremely bent up. You know, the plastic is pretty durable, but when you pull on it that hard when tightening down bolts, it could fracture back here where this screw is here. So this whole piece right here would chunk off, you know, all the way around to there. So what we're going to do is, these bolts are loose, we're going to put some new bolts in here and then try and tighten this down without causing any further damage. So both sides are picked up, and there's nothing we can do about that besides coming in here and cutting this flange out, trying to get a new flange in there and gluing it back down, and then bolting it to the floor. Anyways, just wanted to document that before we get going. Outside of that, this inspection is done. So we're still in Clovis, California, and we tried to set this toilet, and the bolts came out of the closet flange. So underneath that steel ring is the original flange. It was bent up on both sides. First part of the video shows that. The bolt on the far side just came right out. It was at such an angle, it just spun up and out. Same thing here. So what we did is we just took a stainless steel ring and mounted it to the floor. Some of the holes caught, some didn't, and if they didn't catch, we drilled another hole through the flange and put a screw in. So the main thing is, next to the bolt on the far side, you've got 2 screws in, and next to the bolt over here on this side, you've got 2 screws in. So that should hold it down. So we're going to go ahead and get the wax back in there, get the toilet set, and take another video when we're done.